Welcome back to another Wheels and Stuff video. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do basically a needle sweep gauge test mod on the C7.5 A6. What you want to do if you've got VCDS is go to Instruments 17, and then what you want to do is go to Coding when the module loads up. There we go, Coding. And then what we want to do is you want to go to byte 1, and then in byte 1 there should be is it? Oh, I might as well do lap timer as well and just start now. See that there, gauge test needle sweep active. So if we click that, right, and then what we want to do is you want to copy all that, Control C, and let's go back to byte 1 and make sure all that is still in there. Yep. And get rid of that. That's it. And then we do it. What did we put on there? Right, so A7, it changed that too. So let's change that F to 7. Do it. Code accepted. And then we're going to go back, close the controller. And what you want to do then is you want to get out of this as well and turn the engine off. And then if you look at the needles when the engine starts, it does a full needle sweep of the needles on the dials. So that's how you do that's how you do the gauge test activation with VCDS. I'll be doing a couple of other mods as well, but I'll save those for some other videos. So yeah, if you wanna see some more mods for C7, C7.5 on VCDS, don't forget to hit the bell notification and leave a comment and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.